Many brands including the likes of Noise, Boat, Oppo, Dizzo and others have some superb TWS offerings in the sub 2000 rupees price segment. However, there is one brand that I really feel has been absolutely killing it in the space for quite a while now. I'm talking about Truke. So in this video, let's check out the brand's two latest offerings, that is the Earbuds and the Earbuds Plus. What makes these special are features such as in-ear detection, a pretty decent low latency game mode, and app support that gives you up to 20 EQ presets to choose from. So how do these sound? Well, let's find out in this video. But before that, consider hitting that red subscribe button if you love watching detailed tech videos, and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. Hello everyone, Aman here from Mr. Phone, and now let's get started. First things first, the price. So the Earbuds cost 1599 rupees while the Earbuds Plus cost 1699 rupees. And literally the only difference between the two is that the Plus has a battery indicator display in the case. That's it. So when you buy these, it literally boils down to the 100 rupees price difference. I mean, for the extra cash, you are getting the in-case display, which I think is a good little addition to keep a check on the battery levels. Otherwise, if you don't care about the in-case display and want these TWS in a slightly smaller footprint, you can go for the vanilla buds, because the main thing is that these buds look and sound the same, plus they come with the same features, so that is there. Personally, I've used both of these, the Earbuds and the Earbuds Plus, for about a week each, and the battery life on these is absolutely insane. Truke promises a total of 48 hours battery life, that is 10 hours for the buds on a single charge and 38 hours of additional charges with the case. And in my experience, after having used these buds every day, mostly at 60 to 70% volume for about 5 hours, both the Earbuds and Earbuds Plus lasted a full week in their respective runs. So as I said, you're getting 5 hours on this thing daily for 7 days straight. I don't know what else could you ask for at this price. And by the way, the Truke Earbuds and the Earbuds Plus take about 90 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100 using the USB Type-C port found at the bottom. So basically charge it once and you're good to go for a week. Coming to the design and build, the Earbuds are basically a carbon copy of the Earbuds Lite when it comes to the design, apart from the red inserts that you find on the new one. Besides that, the pebble-shaped case, the dimensions, and even the buds look the same. The Earbuds Plus, on the other hand, has a slightly bigger case because of the in-case display. It also comes with red inserts, and as for the buds themselves, they again look the same across the range. So the fit finish of the plastic is great. I like the matte treatment. I think they are pretty light to carry around in the pocket as well. Moving on, I won't call this the best hinge that you get here, but it gets the job done. And while it isn't the smoothest to open and close, it hasn't got loose over the period of time I've been using these. Coming to the buds themselves, and their shape will instantly remind you of the Apple AirPods Pro. But anyway, they look good. They feature a glossy finish, there's Truke branding, you get dual mics on the stem as well as an LED indicator. These buds also feature 10mm drivers and are IPX4 water resistance. The in-ear fit of the Truke earbuds has been very comfortable. They feel light. I believe they must be about 4 to 5 grams each, so pretty light and comfortable. And I did not feel any ear fatigue even after wearing them for continuous stretches. So for the respective prices, that is 1599 rupees for the earbuds and 1699 rupees for the earbuds plus, the build quality that you get here is good. I love the looks, they are comfortable to wear. Of course, I would have loved to see a better hinge on these things, but honestly, there's nothing much to complain here at this price point. Coming to the features of the latest Earbuds Duo, so you get to choose between 20 EQ presets that's available through the Tuya Smart app for both iOS and Android. You can also manually tune the EQ according to your liking if you prefer something custom. There's also an option for that. There's also a Find Earbuds feature that helps you locate the earbuds, but of course they must be in range of the connected smartphone. One more feature that you don't see much in many earbuds at this price point is the in-ear detection. Good to have that as well. Apart from this, the buds also come with 55 millisecond low latency game mode, and it does a fine job. I mean, I will try to give you a demo of the same rather than telling you how it is. Hear for yourselves. The earbuds Duo here also feature touch controls, something that I found to be really finicky to get around with. But honestly, this is the only drawback of the Truke Air Buds Plus and the earbuds. I mean, taps and touch, they do work, but they're not as precise as I would have liked them to be. Finally, coming to the main highlight of the buds, their sound. Right off the bat, I can say that these buds are indeed bass heavy, which is not a bad thing per se. I mean, if you're someone who loves listening to tunes with good and heavy bass, you might enjoy these a lot. But apart from the bass, I think the earbuds also do a pretty decent job when it comes to producing the mids, or say the voices or the vocals. I can also assure one thing, that even after playing music at high volumes, the audio did not distort at all, which is great. And coming back to the 20 EQ presets, so while they might not be the best tuned audio modes, I think they are enough and plenty, in the sense that you might find something according to your taste. Plus, there's always the option to tune the EQ manually, so that is there. With all that said, what's the verdict? Well, I think for the respective prices of 1599 rupees and 1699 rupees for the earbuds and the earbuds Plus, I feel these are absolutely worth it. I mean, they got the looks, they're comfortable to wear, they sound good, they come with some really great features such as app support, EQ presets, low latency mode and stuff. Plus, the battery life that you're getting here is superb. As for the cons, I only feel that the touch controls could have been implemented better, and of course the hinge as well. But I guess for the price, there's nothing much to really complain about. The company has done an overall good job. And that's about it for my review of the Truke Airbuds and Airbuds Plus. Leave all your thoughts and queries in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll catch you all in the very next one. Thank you for watching.